Hi, I'm Christos from TU Delft. Our job is to model reality. In order to do that, we have to convert reality to mathematical equations and algebraic systems. More specifically, in Morpho project, our job is to develop a digital twin of a panel. Imagine that the digital twin is something like the human avatar. So, this means that if the panel feels sad, the digital twin has to feel sad. If the panel feels pain, the digital twin has to feel pain. We are doing all that in order to subject the digital twin to harmful conditions, to damages, to failures, to study these conditions in order to avoid them in the real structures and in the real world. And this, of course, is all done for the human safety.